Hi there, so today we're having a look at the Rode Vlogger kit. Now this kit version is for USB-C, but they do also make it for Apple iOS with a lightning connector and also a standard 3.5mm jack as well. Now this kit can be quite expensive to buy. I bought mine from Amazon Warehouse, so I got it slightly cheaper and I paid under £50 for this, although I think it retails new for a lot more. There's nothing really wrong with it. Packaging had got a little bit of extra sellotape on it and some few stickers on the box, but I couldn't see anything wrong with the contents of the box whatsoever. So on the back it shows you exactly what you get, and I'll go through each of those things in a second. So you get the microphone, the rubber clip to mount it to your phone, the windshield, the smart grip, the tripod, a USB-C cable, 8 coloured filters, a clip-on diffuser for the light, and then a micro LED light. So let's have a look and see what you get. Okay, so this is what you get. As I said before, the microphone, diffuser, clip, quick start guide, the connector to your phone, the clamp part, all metal, tripod, lamp, and the windshield. What I would recommend when you get it is going straight to the Rode website and actually filling in the serial number details so that you can get your kind of 2-year warranty. Well, you do in the UK. It might be a different length of warranty in different countries, but it is warranted for 2 years. So let's have a look at each individual part and then we'll put it together and we'll make a recording with the microphone so you can see just how good it is. So first up, let's look at the tripod. The tripod is really good. Rode logos on it on the feet. You can hold it like that, really solid, or put the 3 feet out so it sits flat. It's got a ball head on the top that moves around and also can go completely sideways. It's a really good lock on the side of that. It's that part. The smartphone clamp with the Rode logo on it is kind of spring loaded, which is really good. It's a really nice clamp. It's got some soft rubber inside to hold the phone. It's got a cold shoe mount on the top where we'll put the lamp in a moment, and then you just tighten it down by this screw on the top depending on what size phone you got. The lamp is quite adjustable to how you want to fit it onto the top of anything really, of any cold shoe mount. It's a very powerful LED, and you can basically, it's rechargeable and it's supposed to last for about 60 minutes. It's quite tricky to get to the actual rechargeable flap. There you go. So it's a USB-C connector in there to charge it up, and then on the top you basically hold it down and it should come on. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite nice and bright, and it's got different levels. If you then tap it, you get, well, that was the lowest level, lowest, highest to the brightest level, and then hold it down again and it will turn off. So that is a nice little light that comes with it. You've got the phone clip mount here as well. Basically the microphone will go on there on the back, and then the phone will be between the USB-C or your whatever connector you've got and the actual clamp. So if I put it in the phone and I've got it going that way, and you could just push the rubber part on the back and that's going to kind of hold it on depending on which way round you're actually using the phone. Okay. The windshield is fairly standard, nice fluffy windshield, largest thing in the box actually. Quick start guide just tells you really how to put it all together. And then finally the clips, the clip filter, which goes over the light, and then inside you'll find the different array of filter colors as well. Although I've kept that in the box. I've not really found a use for it, to be honest. but it's a nice thing to have in a clip packet. Right, so let's build it up. So we're going to start with the tripod. Let's get rid of the quick start guide and the filters and the windshield. We don't want that anymore really. So this basically has a screw mount on the bottom, so, and on the side as well if you wanted it landscape or portrait. So this basically just screws as standard on here, and then you can just tighten that up. And then when we have just brought in a phone, but the lamp kind of just connects on the top and then tightens down by screwing the bottom part in place. Okay, and then you've got the lamp on the top. Then it's just a matter of putting the microphone on the camera. Now you don't have to use the microphone holder, because if you're like me on my main phone, I have a case, a thick rubber case around my phone, and I find that if you use this, then sometimes the USB-C port or whatever version you're using doesn't fit very well into the phone, because the case stops it from going completely into the socket. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. I don't use it on mine, but it is safer if you do use it. So if I was videoing myself, then I'd obviously have the microphone facing me, but if I was videoing something else and using the screen to look at, then I would just kind of face it the other way. I haven't really talked about the microphone too much actually. It's all metal construction. It's really nice, even the metal kind of grids inside as well. The USB-C connector on this one, and this version also has the headphone out jack as well, 3.5mm, so that you can actually wear headphones and listen to what you are recording. So I'm just going to slot this back in here, and then I'm just going to tighten up this phone and just finger tighten it down, and there we go. So if we could be videoing like that, just hand holding with the microphone facing us or facing the other way, as I said before, and with the light facing the other way as well, and that would what it would look like on the other side. So it is a nice little kit. Shall we have a look and see what the microphone sounds like? Right, so this is the sound of the microphone plugged into the phone that's recording right now, and the microphone is sort of pointing down above my head, and I'm about 12 inches or a foot away from the microphone. I'm not straight onto it, I am at the side of the microphone as the microphone's pointing down, but I do think the quality of these little microphones and the value for money is fantastic really. I did look at having spending a lot more money on, say, a DJI mic or a Rode Wireless kind of mic that would be several hundred pounds, and I just stumbled over these, and I didn't see the reason for spending hundreds and hundreds of pounds when I don't really stand you know, meters and meters away from the microphone really. If I did do a long shot, then yeah, I would need some sort of wireless microphone, but at the moment these are working really well. So that was the Rode Vlogger Kit USB-C edition. I really do like the kit. If you can get it at a decent price, then it's probably really worth investing in, especially because you get all the extra parts as well. But you can just buy the microphone on its own if you want to, so look out for that. I've put links in the description below to the Rode Vlogger Kit if you're looking at buying one. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a like if you did like the video, and subscribe to the channel of course. See you soon.